All right. Did you take any like medication or anything like that? Or?
Negative.
Negative?
Negative.
Any like powders or anything like that?
Like, are you asking me if I did cocaine?
I didn't say that, but...
Okay, because that was the only powder that I can think of. Negative.
Well, there's fentanyl, there's heroin, there's
right.
a bunch of lists of powders.
There is, yes.
Okay.
Well, then that's going to be a problem. Breathalyzer? Either of you have a breathalyzer?
No,
then you're going to be in trouble.
You
want to take me in? Blood?
No, I want to make sure you're okay to drive.
I'm 100% okay to drive. You guys don't have your breathalyzer. You have nothing to do a hard medical examination of whether somebody is actually under the influence.
A sober citizen named Levi Trumbull was pulled over by City of Frederick police officers under the pretext of having a foggy license plate cover. The primary officer immediately initiated an aggressive interrogation regarding the driver's movements, timeline, and exact route, treating a minor equipment issue like a major narcotics investigation. In the state of Maryland, an obscured license plate is classified as a secondary traffic offense, meaning law enforcement officials are legally barred from initiating a traffic stop solely for that reason.
Hey, bud.
Hey, what's going on? How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing just fine. How can I help you?
The reason I'm pulling you over is your license plate cover. You can't have one in the state of Maryland.
Oh, you can't have a license plate cover?
No, it's all fogged up.
Oh.
Obscuring your license plate.
Is it really?
Yep.
I have a wrench. I can take that off.
That's fine.
Like,
do you have your license and registration?
I'm just about to get that for you, brother.
Where are you coming from today?
I'm just coming right from my house. I live, well, yeah. Well, there you see it right there.
Where's your house?
My court.
And you're just coming from there?
Yes, Boss Cobbs. I'm coming from there to here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're coming from Monrovia right now?
Yes. The address that's on that license.
All right.
Correct.
Where's Monrovia?
Where's Monrovia? It's in Green Valley. It's near Urbana.
Okay. And you're coming from this direction here?
Yeah, I was coming from that direction.
Okay.
Yeah.
Isn't Monrovia all the way that way?
Yeah, Monrovia is that way. It's all the way down.
And you were coming from over?
I was driving that way. That's what I mean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how'd you get from Monrovia to here?
The highway.
Okay.
From Urbana.
So you, took off of where? Where'd you get off on the highway?
What's that?
Where'd you get off on the highway?
Well, I was down there.
Huh?
Yeah. I was coming from that direction.
Yeah, where'd you get off on the highway?
The encounter quickly escalated into a baseless fishing expedition when the officer ordered the driver out of the vehicle and baselessly accused him of being impaired. Despite the driver speaking perfectly clearly and showing zero signs of intoxication, the official claimed his eyes were glassy and aggressively pushed for a voluntary field sobriety test. The 14th Amendment to the United States Constitution ensures that no state shall deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. The citizen recognized that the subjective roadside coordination tests were merely a tactical trap designed to manufacture probable cause for an unwarranted DUI arrest.
Well, I was seeing do I have to go through my whole day? I was seeing a friend earlier.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I live in Monrovia, but I was coming from that way.
Okay.
Yeah.
You mind stepping out of the vehicle for me, bud?
Yeah, that's fine.
Have you taken anything today, bud?
Negative. You want to give me where's your thing that you use to breathalyze people? Do you have that?
No.
Okay.
I don't have one. I'm just wondering.
No.
It just seems a little bit off.
No.
Okay.
I'm not off.
Okay. All right. Did you take any like medication or anything like that? Or?
Negative.
Negative?
Negative.
Any like powders or anything like that?
Like, are you asking me if I did cocaine?
I didn't say that, but...
Okay, that was the only powder that I can think of. Negative.
Well, there's fentanyl, there's heroin, there's a bunch of lists of powders.
There is, yes.
Okay.
I'm not on any substance, whether that be liquid, hard drugs, or whatever it is.
Okay.
No, negative.
Anything?
But as for the plates, I can take those. I actually have a torque wrench. I can remove that with it. Might be
so you can't have that.
Oh, wow, it looks like it's iced up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's crazy. As you can see, it's relatively new. I've only had that for like a week or something. But I can just unscrew this and pop that off.
That's right. Is county available for P9?
I didn't realize that got so fogged up. So these are illegal in the state of Maryland to have a license plate cover?
Check this earlier.
Yeah, so
These
you
are
can't,
illegal?
you can't, because it's obscuring your license plate.
Sure.
So you can't have that in the state of Maryland.
Yeah, it is definitely obscuring my, yeah, it's all fogged up, I can see that. It's all fogged up. That's an issue.
Alright, so
We agree on that. I can, all it needs is a 3/8 torque wrench to unscrew that. That's all that you need to unscrew it. The license plate you can read. As you can see, everything's current. There's no reason to obscure it.
Would you do field sobriety for me, bud?
No,
Sure
negative, absolutely not. I would take your breathalyzer, pull
I
it
don't
out.
have a breathalyzer.
Well then that's going to be a problem. Breathalyzer? Either of you have a breathalyzer?
No, I'm
then
just
you're going to
asking
be in
if you would
trouble.
do field sobriety for me, bud.
You want to take me in? Blood?
No, I want to make sure you're okay.
I'm 100% okay to drive. You guys don't have your breathalyzer. You have nothing to do a hard medical examination of whether somebody is actually under the influence.
I
You're
don't
going
think
to do a field sobriety
you're
test.
under the influence of alcohol.
I'm not under the influence of any substance, whether that be drugs, alcohol, an opioid, a narcotic.
And I just want to make sure you're good to drive.
Yes, I'm
by
definitely
doing
good to drive.
Doing basic.
And I understand where you're coming from, actually. I actually do.
What's that?
Like, you want to make sure that people are not on the street driving impaired, whether that be on drugs or alcohol or whatever substance that somebody could use that would take their attention away from the road and onto something else. You know what I mean?
Right.
Am I correct on that? Is that a correct assumption? You don't want to...
Yeah.
Your goal is to not see people impaired
Do you
on
know
the road.
why I'm thinking that right now?
I have no idea.
You're pretty amped right now. You're
Okay.
a little adamant, and your eyes are glassy. So I'm curious if you might have taken something.
No, I didn't take... This is why I asked.
That's
if
why I'm
you have
asking to do
advice that would... I love this. That's why I asked if you had a device that could actually
I don't
tell
have
whether...
a device for cocaine
Well, then,
or
so
any
you
other
want,
thing.
what do you want me
So
to
I'm
do?
not spelling.
What do you want me to do? You want
It's
to go
just
like
a
this?
series
Go like
of-
this? Go like this?
Not,
do you want me to
it's
do?
not that all special.
Yeah?
It's just the eye test.
Okay.
You know, you heard that?
But you and I both know that what field sobriety test is a way for you to have probable cause to arrest me. You just told me a minute ago that you believe that I'm impaired. So
No,
anything that I
suspect
do,
that something might be
exactly.
involved.
So anything that I do
But it
during
also-
this field sobriety test is going to give you that probable cause that you would like right now to arrest me. So she's looking through my car right now.
Knowing he was stone cold sober and had absolutely nothing to hide, the driver chose to outsmart the officials by strategically controlling the interaction. He firmly refused the treacherous field sobriety test, but openly invited the officers to inspect his eyes right where he stood, and even allowed them to glance inside his unlocked vehicle. Title 18, United States Code, Section 242, states that whoever, under color of any law, willfully subjects any person to the deprivation of any rights, privileges, or immunities secured or protected by the Constitution shall be fined or imprisoned. By keeping the encounter cooperative, the driver successfully trapped the officer into admitting on camera that there was no smell of alcohol and zero objective evidence of impairment.
Make sure there's nothing in
to
there.
see if she can find anything. She's not going to find anything.
That's good.
So,
I would.
yeah.
I would. Like
I'm not
to
under the influence of anything.
All right. Can I just take a look at your
You
eyes?
can absolutely take a look at my eyes. You're looking at them right now.
right.
They're a
We-
nice
we
brown
do.
color, aren't they?
They're very nice.
Thank you very much.
Would you submit to a field sobriety so I can take a look at your eyes and make sure you're good to go?
Well, I don't want to do a field sobriety. I prefer not to. I'm definitely not under the influence of anything.
Would you mind if my partner take a look through your car and make sure there is no powders or anything?
I shouldn't do this. But yeah, here, I'm gonna open up. You can open up all my doors.
Doors or the
She can look through
stuff?
my doors.
What about in the center console?
There's nothing in there, so I really
Okay,
don't
we take
care.
a look.
I mean, it's like, here's the thing. Do I let you violate my... I have the right to refuse. I can say no. You know that you don't have the problem. Or maybe you think that you do, but...
Not yet.
No, not yet. But, yeah, go ahead. Go ahead and look through it. The car's unlocked. I'll entertain this. I know you're not going to find anything,
That's good.
so you will not find anything in that car that I need to be worried about. Go ahead, it's open. It's unlocked.
So, yeah.
3/8 torque wrench. I can take it right off. I guess it got pretty cold recently.
Yeah,
I don't
you
know.
have-
Because that is definitely, we agree that we can come to agreement on this. That's for certain. And as you can see, it's a relatively new frame. And I don't know why it's not supposed to do that.
On an unrelated note.
On an unrelated note.
What happened there?
This?
Yeah, what
I don't know, it just got torn. This is a good jacket.
It looks like a good jacket.
It is good. pretty nice in there.
Is it warm?
Yeah, it's warm. It's getting the job done. It's definitely getting the job done. So you guys don't typically carry around devices like a breathalyzer
For alcohol.
for alcohol?
Yeah, but I'm
Okay.
not smelling any alcohol in your breath.
Exactly. I love it. I love it.
But do you see what I mean?
No, actually.
Okay.
Well, considering I'm sober right now, I don't.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. No, I'm stone cold sober right now. No medications. I'm trying to think of all the things somebody can get high on. When you don't do drugs, it's kind of a shot in the dark. You're just predicting.
Okay.
You know.
All right.
Like you said fentanyl earlier.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure if I
Hang
did
tight with this
fentanyl,
officer right here.
I'd be like
Yeah,
laid on my back, deceased right now. So who was first to get the body cameras? Was it Frederick City or Frederick County?
Frederick City. I think we're the
That
first
figures.
in all of the counties between us, Thurmont, Brunswick,
Mm-hmm.
County, State.
Right. Because a couple years back, there was an executive order from Hogan saying that every
I think it
police
was like
department
two-
in Maryland
I
had
think
to
it was like 2
implement
years
them
ago.
by 2026, right? Because they gave you guys like a 5-year implementation window.
Yeah, we were already in compliance.
Yeah. But you guys had time, right? That was the point of the whole situation. Was like you
It
guys
takes
had
money
exactly.
and programming.
Everyone goes into action,
Storage.
don't they? Yeah. I mean, what's the alternative?
I don't even know what
I don't know.
What is it? Watch hard?
Watch out.
No,
Good deal.
she's more the tech guru than I am.
Take any medications?
Do I what now?
Take any medications?
Just life. High on life, I guess. And auto parts, yeah, 3/8. Bingo.
Do me a favor, back up a little bit.
Absolutely.
All right. That's some rusted out screws, my man.
Yeah, they're a little bit rusted, but hey, it's coming off easy.
I don't know what we're looking for.
He's got it. The good news is that when I put that on there, I really had to crack that rusty screw, so it should already be a touch loose because of the force I already put on. He's got the big clumper though. And that's going to fall right under. I'll just be ready for it when it does. Yep, that comes.
Hey, you can't have that, bud.
Thank you.
So what you getting at Boscov's?
What's that?
What you getting at Boscov's?
I don't know. We'll see.
Just shopping.
Yeah, we'll see.
On sale Christmas gifts.
There we go.
Well, the idea really is you want to go after Christmas
Yep.
rather than before. It's like the whole Halloween. If you ever want to buy candy, so you do it the day after Halloween rather than before. In theory.
All right, bud. That's gonna stay.
Home
When you-
Depot had 50% off Christmas trees. Right. Yeah, right. In case you, yeah, right. That's exactly right.
All right. Well, good luck to you, man.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. And everything checked out.
You don't have any warrants.
All right, guys. Thank you very much.
To completely diffuse the tension and expose the absurdity of the stop, the driver grabbed his own tools and began unscrewing the problematic license plate cover right in front of the officers. He kept the officers engaged in casual, high IQ conversation about police body cam mandates and holiday shopping, while removing the entire basis for their presence. According to the federal precedent established in Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, 1968, a search for weapons in the absence of probable cause to arrest, however, must, like any other search, be strictly circumscribed by the exigencies which justify its initiation. Left with zero legal leverage, no scent of alcohol, and an entirely clear vehicle, the defeated officials had no choice but to let the driver leave without a single citation. Like and subscribe for more.